Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Alpha Console for Rocket League. First, understand that Alpha Console functions as a plugin for BaxMod. This means you absolutely need BaxMod installed and running on your computer before you can even begin. Also, always make sure your Rocket League game is fully updated to its latest version to avoid any compatibility issues during the installation process. This foundational step is crucial for a smooth experience. Once BaxMod is ready, installing Alpha Console is straightforward. Open your web browser and go to the BaxMod plugins website. You can easily find Alpha Console by searching for it, then simply click the Install with BaxMod button. This will typically handle the installation automatically. As an alternative, you can launch Rocket League, press F2 to open the BaxMod menu, navigate to the Plugins tab, and install Alpha Console directly from there. With the plugin installed, launch Rocket League and confirm BaxMod is active. To access Alpha Console's features, simply press the F5 key on your keyboard while in-game. This will bring up its dedicated menu. For custom decals to display correctly, it is essential to create a new car preset in your garage. Make sure this preset has no decals applied to the car body, as Alpha Console will then overlay your chosen custom skin onto it. Alpha Console opens up a world of customization. Within the menu, you can personalize your car with countless custom decals, add vibrant underglow lighting, and even apply unique textures to your wheels. Beyond car aesthetics, you can alter ball textures, modify goal defense visuals, and experiment with various custom game modes. There are also training enhancements to help improve your skills. Dive in and explore the many ways to make your Rocket League experience truly your own.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.